Good morning, dear students. So, we are doing our sixth chapter, that is GW basic, that means the basic. So, this chapter is having so many commands you have learned already, and now we will learn many more commands. So, today's our command is line statement. The line statement is used to draw the straight line between 2 points on the screen. It will draw a line 1 pixel wide with the current color from one point to another. The syntax of this statement is line bracket x coordinate y coordinate bracket close comma the second x coordinate and second y coordinate. So you have to specify the coordinates here, from which coordinate to the another coordinate you want to draw a line. When you give this statement, your output will be like this. For example, CLG is used to clear the screen, and line 60 comma 50 comma 50 150 comma 50 end. So you will get your output like this. Here is another program to draw an isosceles triangle by the line statement. So see the program. CLG color red, so the red color line will be appear there, and the line coordinates x 160 comma 30 comma 250 comma 180. Then second line coordinates 250 180 70 180, and third line coordinates is 70 180 60 30. And after that you have to give the end statement to end the program. So you will get your output like this in your computer. See, color will be the red because you have assigned there the red color. Seen how to draw the triangle with the line statement. Now you can take the different values of the coordinates of x and y, different coordinates of x and y, and you can change the shape of your triangle, and you can change also the color of the line drawing the triangle. In the last class I have sent you the color code. Also you can take that code to draw the different color lines in this. Now here is another program to draw a rectangle with different line, and above the rectangle one triangle is there, like this shape you will get by drawing when you execute this program. So the program is C. You can take the different values and different values of x and y, so it will be the different shape. And you can take the different color also. When you execute this program, you will get your output like this. Now here is the another command or statement, that is circle statement, to draw the circle at a particular coordinate what you have assigned there. So circle statement, draw a filled circle with a given radius around the specific point. Its syntax is this: circle, x coordinate, y coordinate, and the radius of circle. How much the radius you assigned there, that radius circle will be drawn there. So here is the program to draw a color with a dark blue, it's inside. And the filled color will be the green. and the line color will be the dark blue. Here is the another program to draw different radius circle one another inside. You can also say the concentric circle, how to draw the concentric circle with the different color what you are assigning there. So here is the program. I will send the snap of all this program also, that will help you to draw that. The next statement is rectangle statement. This statement is used to draw the rectangle at the given coordinate what you are assigning the x and y, and the width and the height of rectangle you have to assign here. So you can try it by taking the different values of the coordinates. The syntax is rect x comma y, that means x coordinate, y coordinate, and the width and the height of rectangle, that also you have to assign here to draw the rectangle. So the output will be like this. What you are assigning on the value of xy, from that point the rectangle will be started, and width you are giving that much width or breadth will be the rectangle, and height means the length of the rectangle. Here is the another program that inside a square you have to draw the circle. So see the program and try it on your computers. I'll send you the snap also of all these programs. How to draw the face. So all these things you have to try on your computer and make it thorough. That will help you in the next classes. These programs will draw the polygon of red color. See the output. This command and program, this is the program to draw the lampshade with the help of line, triangle. See. Now the next is the say statement. Say statement is used to make the basic to read an expression aloud with the help of the computer. That means what you are writing here, it will say. That means computer will say what you are giving here. For example, CLS for 1 to 20, that is the loop. Say keeps publication, next I, end. When you execute this program, the computer will say keeps publications. The next is the sound statement. This command will produce a musical sound. The syntax of this command is sound frequency duration, or sound frequency 1 duration 1, frequency 2 duration 2. Like this you have to assign, then it will produce the sound. So the program to produce the sound is, you can try the different sound by giving the different frequencies, that means different number. When you change here, you will get the different kind of the sound. See. Here is the recap of all these all those things what we have learned in this chapter. So basic 256 is used to create the colorful graphics and figure. Second, the graphic output area made up of tiny dots called pixel. The combination of more than one pixel together forms an image. Third, the text and a font statement allow you to display the text and number on the graphic output area. CLG statement is used to clear the previous graphics. The color statement is used to set the color of the drawing or text. The circle statement draw a filled circle with a given radius around the specific point. The say statement is used to make basic to read an expression aloud with the help of computer speakers. So all these things we have learned in this chapter. Thank you. Now this chapter ends. The exercise of this chapter I will send you in a PDF format. Thank you.